Welcome to our tutorial on how to install Stable Diffusion on Windows. 1. Download Python 3, 10.6 on the Microsoft Store. 2. Run the installer and check Add Python to Path. This will allow Python from the command prompt. 3. Go through the setup process to get the software fully installed with any customizations you require. 4. Once the installation is finished, you will see a screen with the message, Setup was successful. 5. Install Git 6. Download Git on Windows. 7. Follow the instructions on the installer once it is downloaded. 8. Run Command Prompt on your PC. 9. Navigate to See Users Current. X denotes your username. 10. To get there, you can also type cd%x% and press Enter. This will get you to the right file directory. 11. Paste the following command into the window without quote marks. Git clone https://github.com/automatic1111/stablediffusionwebui.git12. After running this command, open your File Explorer and navigate to your user folder. If successful, you should have a new folder named Stable Diffusion Webui. 13. Download a Stable Diffusion model file from Hugging Face. Locate the Models folder, and inside that, open Stable Diffusion. Inside, there will be a text file. 16. Move the previously downloaded Stable Diffusion model file to this folder. 17. Open the Stable Diffusion WBUI folder we created in Step 3. 18. Run Webui user bat19. This will open a command prompt window which will then install all of the necessary tools to run Stable Diffusion. This process can take 5, 10 minutes, 20. You will know when the process is completed when you see the URL http://127.0.1 7,860 inches in the command prompt window. 21. With all of that installed, all you now need to do is open your web browser and paste http://127.0.1 7,860 inches into the address bar. This will then run Stable Diffusion in your browser. Congratulations! You have learned how to install Stable Diffusion on Windows. Thank you for watching our guide.